If you're wondering how to exactly use Tabby for the first time here, well, there are a few things that you want to do here or you want to know. So first things first, in order for you to start using Tabby, you first need to install the app. So you want to go open up Google Play Store and just search for Tabby. Now once you have this installed, you want to go and click on Open. Now once you open the app, it will ask you to first set things up for you. So first, it's going to ask you which you want to select your country. So go ahead and just select your country. Now next is you want to go and click on the login or sign up option here, or you could go and click on skip to stores if you just want to see what it looks like inside. Now, there are four main tabs that you could access here. Now, first is going to be the Discover tab. Now, Discover tab here basically is where you discover different products or different things that you could buy within the app. Now, there are a lot of things that you can view in here, so you can go and start searching for it. Now, there's a search bar at the very top here if you want to learn more about that specific, or if you want to search for specific products. Now, if you choose one of the products here or choose one of the store, it will redirect you to the store or featured store and basically see all the products that is included in there. And also some reviews and about some deals that you can get. Now, if you click on one of the products, let's go and choose this one. It should show you the pricing and also some description about it and what's the specs. Now, you go and click on shop here to start shopping for that product. Now, if you choose the shop option here at the very bottom, basically this is where you could just usually see different shops in different categories. You have clothing, shoes, bags, and even like beauty and health here if you want to search for specific products. Now, you also have the money section, which should allow you to basically start getting some cash back here. So first is you want to pay in full with Tabby card, shop in your favorite stores, and manage your card, and earn also cash back here. Discover how easy to earn cashbacks on the Tabby purchases. And yeah, you also have the profile here if you want to manage your profile. So obviously you need to sign up via this way. If you click on login and sign up here, you just need to provide your phone number and click on continue and just provide all necessary details here. But once you provide that should create your account. And that's about it. So that's how you use Tabby for the first time. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.